On the centenary of the construction of Vella Kanka Sarpanch Milton Marcus House, the newly built Holy Cross Chapel was inaugurated at Pinto Vado, Vella. The chapel was inaugurated by Teresa Pereira and Melba Marcus in the presence of Father Alex de Souza, parish priest of Parra Church, on the occasion of the Feast of Holy Cross. The chapel was being constructed by Sarpanch Milton Marcus. There was a cross at the location, and this is the second chapel built by Marcus after the Vagator Chapel. The inauguration was followed by a mass and fellowship dinner. Minister for Science and Technology Michael Lobo was present. Marcus also announced that he would donate ₹5 lakh to the local church and called on people to contribute.
जायतो भाव करतात हांव 5 कसो जायते पावटी तांकां तापयला म्हाका अशी पावनूय पूण 5 कसो पूण केन्नाच ताणें म्हजें उतर सकला घालूंक ना जितले पावटी कितेंय सांगलां जाल्यार हांवें रागान सांगलां जाल्यार मोगान स्विकारला दोगांयनी मिल्टनानूय आनी मायकल बाबानूय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तांकां जायत्यो वस्तू करूंक तांच्या हातान आसा तितलोय आपणाचो त्याग करून ते फुडें सरल्यात आनी आयज हें कोपेल सोबीत करूंक मिल्टन जायतो वावुरला हांव ताका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा मिल्टन म्हणटालो फादर कितें तापयताय तूं म्हणटालो केन्नाय पूण मोगान आनी मिल्टन सदांच कितें करूंक जाय तें फाटीं वचना सदांच फुडें वेता आपली पावलां फुडें मारता.
A newly reconstructed chapel inaugurated by Father Alex and built by Milton Marcus, the Sarpanch of Vella Kanka. We are extremely joyful and happy. All the people are gathered over here for the inauguration and the feast of Holy Cross today over here. And this cross with a small chapel was right on the road, and it is reconstructed behind, so leaving quite a good setback for the road, which is a very good sign. And a lot of people have gathered over here joyfully to praise the Lord and thank Him for the good chapel what is given through Milton Marcus and his family to the people of Vella Kanka.
I must confess that 3 miracles happened to me the moment I built that chapel for the people of Vagator, आणि ते बांदले हांवें माझे हॉटेलाक 25 वर्सां झाली देखून. आता हे कोपेल बांदपाक जायत्या जाणांनी आदार दिला. पयले सोतेर आमचो इस्कॉलाचो आचीचो नातू बाब एल्डन तेणे म्हाका हे बेस करून दिलो आनी अदीक करून हांव उपकार आठवयता बाब आंतोन आनी तेजी फामील जी हे शेत रोयताली तेणी आमकां परवानगी दिली हे कोपेल फाटी काडून हे धाकटुले कोपेल हांगा बांदपाक. बाब आग्नेल सर आमच्या इस्कॉलाचो तो सदांच म्हाका म्हणटालो कोपेल बरें जालां वयर पोतरी घालूंक ना आनी एक मिरेकल जाली. बेनी फेर्नांडीस टॉमी आमचो आदलो मेंबर तुमी जाणात तेजो भाव हांगा पासार जातालो पळय आमच्या मदें आहा तो म्हणालो तुका ती पोतरी घालून आपूण दिता तेकाय हांव कावजांसान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. सरपंच हे नात्यान आमचो कायदो आसता लोकांची सेवा करपाक. यू हॅव टू गिव्ह समथिंग बॅक टू द पीपल. सगळेच पैसे व्हरून बँकान घालूंक जायना.
I'm really happy to be here at the inauguration of yet another chapel by Milton Marcus. He's the Sarpanch of our village and he's undertaken several such projects, and I'm really proud of him. This is something that's going to get the community closer.
ती वास्तू अशी आहा सारखी व्यवस्थित डिझाईन करून त्यांनी केल्ली आहा आणि मिल्टन असो मनीस आसा की तो सगळ्या कम्युनिटीक एक धरून एकप धरून फुडें चलता.